Hello! In front of me I have Realme Watch 3 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And on this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like the battery icon. This is the power saving icon. And to enable the power saving mode, simply tap on this icon and tap on the check mark to confirm. As you can see, the watch entered the power saving mode. Basically what it does, it disables a lot of features on your watch and you have access only to the time, date and battery. That's about it, and you can't access anything else. And to exit this mode, if you want to disable it, you simply need to press and hold the side button and keep holding it until you see the normal watch face, like this. And that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.